Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay April 14, 2024 Sunday at ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong April 14, 2024 Sunday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong Sunday, April 14, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. 'See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for April 14, 2024 Sunday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Super Lotto 649 is 15.8 million pesos and Ultra Lotto 658 estimated jackpot price is 69 million pesos for Sunday, April 14, 2024. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of April 14, 2024 Sunday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.